This is the new Samsung Galaxy S23. Galaxy A34 5G. The Galaxy A series is Samsung's best-selling line of smartphones because of its awesome display, design, camera, battery, software, and of course, its pricing. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast episode 87. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Today we'll be checking out the new Samsung mid-range smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. At a glance, you might be mistaken. It is the flagship Galaxy S23 series smartphone. Samsung has streamlined its design to the 2023 Galaxy A series, especially the individual camera bumps and matte finish back cover. By the way, the frame and back covers are actually plastic instead of Corning Gorilla Victus 2 and armored aluminium. On the top is the hybrid SIM tray that supports dual SIM and up to 1TB micro SD card. The volume and power buttons are on the right side, and the USB-C with a down-firing speakers are located at the bottom. Features stereo dual speaker with Dolby Atmos support. While on the front is a large 6.6-inch 120Hz Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display that boasts 1000 nits peak brightness. Features an in-display fingerprint scanners and vision booster that increase visibility even under bright sunlight. The display is also protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The triple rear camera system houses a 48MP f1.8 primary cameras with optical image stabilizations, an 8MP fixed focus ultrawide, and a 5MP macro lens, while the dewdrop notch houses a 13MP f2.2 selfie camera. The device is also capable to record up to 4K at 30 on both front and rear cameras. Under the hood is the MediaTek 6nm Dimensity 1080p 5G processor paired with 8GB of memories and 256GB internal storage, dual-band Wi-Fi 5 and latest Bluetooth 5.3. The Dimensity 1080p is quite a new chip that only launched late last year. It performs on par or maybe even better than the popular Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G that found on the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. More on the performance on my written review. Feeling the Galaxy A34 5G is a 5000 mAh battery that supports 25W quick charging. Samsung claims it can deliver up to 2 days of battery life with a single charge. Runs on the latest Samsung One UI 5.1 based on Android 13 and will receive 4 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security update, just like its flagship counterpart. The Galaxy A34 5G will be offered in 4 color options: Awesome Lime, Awesome Silver, Awesome Violet, and Awesome Graphite. There's no official launch date and pricing by the time I release this video. I'll update the official pricing and availability once it goes official on my website. The link will be in the description box. That's all from me on the new Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.